Here's a pair of the Sony Earbuds. This model number is right here with M4 on the end. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Apple computer, MacBook, or iMac via Bluetooth. So the first thing is we're going to go to the Bluetooth setting on our MacBook, okay? So you can just go navigate to click on the Apple logo, the Apple right there, and then we're going to go down to System Settings. From here we're going to select on Bluetooth. Now make sure Bluetooth is turned on, okay? And now under here, nearby devices, you see this thing spinning here? It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode, okay? So now we got to go ahead and put these in pairing mode. So let's do this. Make sure the buds are in the case, the lid's closed, and there's no light here, okay? So now I'm going to open these up. I'm going to put these both into my ear right now. And I hear beep, and I hear Bluetooth connected. Now if you put it in your ear, and it says in pairing mode, then you just want to look over here and wait till it pops up on here, okay? However, mine said it's connected, and the reason is because I think it's connected to one of my phones. So if I go to my phone, I think it's connected to my iPhone. If I go to my iPhone and I unpair it or delete it or remove it, basically the earbuds from the Bluetooth pairing list on my iPhone, once I do that, I can put it back in the earbuds back in the case here, close the lid, wait till the light turns off, open it back up, put it back into my ears, and then eventually I will hear that is in pairing mode, okay? But however, if I don't want to go ahead and unpair it or remove it from the pairing list on my phone, what I can do is this, okay? So I currently have the earbuds in my ear still, and they're connected. What I'm going to do is hold both of the buds, okay? Right now, ready, set, go. I'm holding both, and I just want to keep holding until it says it's in pairing mode. I heard beep beep. Now it says Bluetooth pairing. Let go quickly. So now it's in pairing mode, okay? So now we're going to go back over here. And it's still spinning here. It's still scanning, and it did find it. You can see the WF-1000XM4 in the end there. So I can simply go down here. We're going to go ahead and connect it. It just said Bluetooth connected on the earbuds, and you can see it's connected right here, and I have 100% battery juice on here, so pretty simple. Now if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, go ahead and look in the below in the description area.